Hey there, this is your San Antonio chiropractor. Remember, press that comment button. Subscribe button and leave me a comment.
So what's getting you?
So my right shoulder has just been giving me a really hard time, and now it's getting into my neck, and then like right here towards the end of the head.
So a little bit of occiput, you're thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, welcome back. This patient's pretty unique. Ex-competitive figure skater. She used to compete for the Olympics. I'm talking double axels,
really
triple
just
axel,
my
that kind of level. She's got a lot of ankle injuries, as you can imagine. Knees, low back takes quite a hit. This girl, she used to have her ice skates as sharp as razors, so it's a fun one to work on.
It's coming from like behind the shoulder blade.
All right, go face up.
Okay.
We'll start with occiput. There you go. You know the drill. Let it be loose. Beautiful. Let it be loose. Perfect. Let's go face down.
I actually liked it better like that. That wasn't bad at all.
It was huge, right?
Yeah.
Did you get new Crocs?
I did.
All right. About time.
I know those yellow ones were done for me. My back doesn't hurt anymore, my lower back, until you press on it, and then I feel that.
Then you're like, oh.
Oh, like there it is.
Let's lay this side up.
Okay.
Whew. Let's face the other way. I was moving before we even started. Let's go face down. This room's a little weird for shooting. It's so small.
I was gonna say.
Let's go right hand to low back. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's go right hand to low back. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's go both hands low back. And arms down. Right arm on top of the head. And switch. Both. And arms down.
I felt that.
Let's go face up. So no ice skating this winter?
Actually, I did go ice skating this winter. I went to the Rotary rink that they had.
Your rotary rink?
Yeah, they had, it was like in, I can't remember, Travis Park or something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was
That's cool.
downtown.
No triple axle?
No triple axle though. I was in rental skates. And those are like butter knives for blades.
Let this be loose.
I feel like people would be a lot better if they realized how like bad the rental skates can be. It's not them.
It's not them. Yeah, I've had skates where it's just like a straight pour.
And you slide from side, like you have to really engage your inner thighs or you'll just fall all over the place. So it's a great workout, but not great for your confidence.
That was nasty. Crunch, 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 crunch.
Snack, crackle, pop.
How's it feeling?
Like I can feel my body again.
I am human once more.
Yeah. Sometimes I forget what this feels like.
Doing better yet?
Yeah, it feels a lot better. Wait, action.
Yeah, my bad. Sorry about this random edit. Totally forgot to do her shoulder, so we're going back and working on it. You can see here where we set up on this clavicle. We're shoving the distal end, S to I, B to A. And then we're going to be mobilizing the shoulder, pushing everything back into good posture. And then we'll end with some subscapularis work where we dig into it real hard. Hurts like hell, but it works. Enjoy.
Let me see it. Arm now. Feeling a little better?
Yeah, that feels a lot better.
How are those ribs feeling after we did the weird stuff?
I'm still a
Lay-
little.
Lay on your back.
Okay. I can survive with the light.
Arm down. Just keep breathing. Just push on the diaphragm. How's that feeling?
I'm a little better.
Good. Good.